Logic and the critical thinking, and the title is categorical proposition. Categorical proposition. Proposition in logic is said to be what the statement. Proposition are said to be those statements whether we affirm or whether we negate. We have two positions: affirmation or negation, affirmative or negative. So proposition means those statements that use in logic that claim something, and second, denial of that claim. We have some agree terms and some disagreement. So between them, there is a yes or there is a no. There is a proposition. And how we can categorize proposition and then statement, as we studied in the previous lecture, that logic is completely based on argument, and argument is dependent on statement, which means the premises or the conclusion, where the premises and the conclusion both are working together, so then it lead toward the argument. For proper argument, conclusion must follow the given premises. What is premises? Premises is the statement, a set of statements. So, in logic, one of the father and founder of logic, which is called Aristotle. Aristotle was the father of logic. He invented that method and formulated the classification or categorization of that proposition. Most of the people, when study and when they claim something, they claim in four manners. There are four in numbers carrying the designation A, E, I, O. The first one is all as is P. All as is P. It means all, universal one. No as is P is a particular one. And some as is P is a part of P, is a particular. And some S is not P is also the particular but negative. All show the universal. No show the universal but negative. Some show the particular. Here we have uh, some more example like that. All politicians are liar. All, all means all, universal one. This statement, this claim shows that all politicians are liar. So I'll show you that proposition is affirm or deny something. So all politicians are liar. It is an affirmation. No? It is an affirmation that politicians are liar. And when you claim that all, it means your affirmation is for universal. That's why this statement is called universal affirmation. You affirm that it is applicable to all over the world, universe. That's why universal affirmation. No politicians are liar. No politicians are liar. Politicians are liar is an affirmation or negation. Politicians are liar is affirmation. No politicians are liar is a negation. I told you that proposition is divided into two: affirmation or negation. Affirmative or negative. You can simply say the yes or no. And proposition is also divided into universal or the particular. Universal, which is all, which is for all, and particular for a very few, for very some. So, no politicians are liar, it means universally no. And politicians are liar is a negation. No politicians are liar. Some politicians are liar. This claim is affirmation that yes, politicians are liar. They agree. But this statement is not for all. This statement is for specific people. Some politicians, they restrict on some. So that's why particular. And the last one, the fourth one, some politicians are not liar. Some shows the particular and are not is showing the negation. So we have double click over one by one. The first one is universal affirmative, and I explain you here that universal affirmative is that type of statement and claim where you suppose that, and I will give the example also that all politicians are liars. There is a description over there that when you suppose that all shows the whole category, there's a whole. This one shows the universal position, and politicians are said to be liar. This one is an affirmation. All as is B. You can also denote with A and B. All A is B, but here we present with as all as is B. So S and P represent the subject and the predicate. And all politician is a subject, and politicians are liar is our object, was a predicate. All S is P here. S is subject and P for predicate. Predicate is an object and S is a subject. So all politicians are liars. So here politicians are said to be the subject S and the liar are the predicate P. That's why we say the universal affirmative. Here all members of S are included in the P. S and P both are the same. Universal negative. No politician are liar. And this one is the second. This one example, or this one belongs to that negation. Universally deny, and you will say that this statement is not for a specific. It is this statement is for all. No SSP. So here, politician is subject and liar is a predicate. So here means no SSP. No politicians are liar. This one is universal negative, is a negation, and negation is universal negation. All right. The next one is particular affirmative. Third example, some politicians are liar. Some, the few, the particular one, and the politicians are the subject, and the liar are the object. Is a content. It here it shows that this one is affirmation, and that affirmation is for the particular. Whatever we present, it is not for the whole class. We are talking about the some class. Some class of politicians are. Some are good, some are not. Some are liars, some are not liar. There is interpretation. Politicians are liars. Okay. And the sum represent that this statement is for a particular group of people. We are not talking about the all. We are talking about the some particular politicians. So particular affirmation doesn't mean that we are talking about some definite people. We are talking about some class. We affirm that, but for a particular one. Right? Here is a fourth case. Particular negative. The examples are some politicians are not liar. Politicians are liar. The liar are not liar. Not shows a negative proposition. Is a negation. Politicians are not liar. And some shows the particular. So that's why particular negative preposition. So politician is a subject and the liar is a predicate. And this statement shows you what? It shows you that politicians are liar, not liar. But we are not talking about the whole class or category. We are just talking about the few. We are talking about the very some and the few politicians, not for the whole class. That's why we say that some S is not P. S is the subject and P is the predicate. Graphically speaking, some part of the P is not a part of the S. S is separated from the P. Because some are liar, then some are not liar. So these are the four cases. So now we talk about the quantity and the quality. We will explain more statement like when we say that all politicians are liar. So the quantity and the quality, these two things are there, right? Proposition has a quality in the sense of affirmative or negative. Politicians are liar and politicians are not liar. This one is a quality, right? And what is about the quantity? Quantity is talking about as a whole or for the partial. It is talking about the universal or from the particular. So quality means affirmative or negative, and the quantity means as a whole or as a part. Talking about the universal or talking about the some particular. So it is a case of quantity and the quantity. Whenever we talk about the statement, so we have to be specify the quantity as well as the quality. So what was the quality, whether it is affirmative or negative, and what was the quantity, whether this discussion is all about the whole or for a particular one. So journal schema of standard form categorical preposition that the in technically speaking is called the quantifier. All, some, few. This one is a quantifier that shows the quantity. And copula, which is called the critic term, and the object term is the logical terminology. Don't worry about that word. And three standard form of quantifier: all, no, and the sum. And copula is to be. Is to be. It to be or not to be is said to be copula. And the quantifier is showing the all, no, and the sum. This one is a logical terminology, not more than that. Okay, fine. We talk about the distribution. Distribution is saying that from which portion it is associated. Subject and the predicate is associated with like that all SRP. So all SRP. This distribution shows that S is equal to P and P is equal to S, because all SRP both are equivalent to each other. So you can see from this diagram. So the P is S. All S are P. P and S both are the same. The circle is contained in the part in the P circle, where represent the fact that every member of S is a member of P. Predicate and the subject both are the same. There is another distribution which is and there's example like all bananas are fruit. But when we revert it, all fruit are banana, no, it will be going to wrong. So distribution shows that all banana are fruit, any bananas are fall in the category of the fruit. No SRP, no SRP. So S and P both are separate class, just like the previous one, where we raise the subject and the predicate and distribute bananas within the class of fruit. Here, the banana is a subject with which classify that it belongs to the part of the group of the fruit. No SRP. So diagrammatically, we can separate both of them because S is not P and P is not S. No SRP, both are separate. This is represented as separate circle. The S is subject and the P is predicate. The subject and the predicate both are different. All right. The statement claim about every member of S and every member of P, and it asserted every member of S is separate from the every member of P. The both are separate. Some SRP. So it means the part of some S, which is the hysteric one, not the whole one, is a part of P. At least one member of S is member of. Have a look over it. The steric part in the diagram and the circle, the whole circle represent the P, and the steric part representing the S and the sum part of the P. So this statement reflects that some S are P and claim that the some few members represent the in a whole circle. Some S are not P diagrammatically. Uh, and as for the statement, this one is in O position, which is called the particular negation. And some S are not P here. The P is the complete circle, and S is not included in the P, so that's why S is drawn outside the P. S is not included in the P circle. So some S are not P is a particular negative. So two mnemonic device for distribution to keep remember it. U S N unprepared student never pass. Universal distribute. Subject negative distribute. Predicate any student earning B is not on probation. A E I O, and the next one S B and P. It makes you easy to learn. Just like that, आपको एक wrong false jump over the lazy dog. Any student earning B, A S E B is not on probation. Is not on probation. The initial is B I N O P. So A distribute the subject and E distribute the A distribute subject. E distribute both and I distribute neither and O distribute the predicate. So this is a simple way to keep memorizing all these things. A, E, I, and O. So here is a four additional square there. I will show from the chart. Then we will talk about the contradiction. Yes, here it is. We talk about from the table, just like that. All men are wiki creatures. A, no men are wiki creature is a very innocent one. E, and I, some men are wiki creature in the table of inferences. Yes. So in exercise, we have aversion, conversion, and contraposition. How we avert and convert and contraposition with each other. Uh, but first, we have to make understand that we have four classification, four categorization. Uh, all SSP and no SSP, some SSP and some SS not P is the table. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now we will make the exercise over the conversion. We are going to make understand the conversion. Okay, fine. There is an exercise. It is a quick revision over the previous topic, how we convert all these statements. All IBM computer are things that use electricity. All IBM computer. IBM computer is a predicate, and that use electricity is a this one is subject, and use electricity is a predicate. And how we converse? We converse when we replace both things. We convert the predicate with the premises subject one. All things that use electricity are IBM computer, or you can convert it in like all IBM computers are things that use electricity. Some S is not P when we convert. Here is some conversion here. Okay, all men are wicked creature. All wicked creatures are men. This one is a false. We cannot convert it because the meanings are completely different. Not only all wicked creatures, some wicked creatures are monkey and fox and other species are. No men are wicked creature. When we replace wicked creature with subject and subject with the predicate, no wicked creatures are men. So it does convert to yes. I, some wicked men are creatures. Some wicked creatures are men. Yes, is converted into. and meanings remain the same. But oh, it doesn't convert to. Some men are not wicked creatures, and some wicked creatures are not men. Again, some wicked creatures might be some other species also, not necessarily a man. This one is correct. Okay, fine. In conversion, predicate with subject and subject with the predicate. And in aversion, what we did, the observe of the A proposition, like all S's T is the E proposition, no S's, no P. If we change the quality as well, all is converted into no, and S is also converted into is not any non. The observe of E position is just like that, no SSP. So no is converted into all, and SSP is converted to as is non-P. Here is some more example. All cartoon characters are fictional. All cartoon characters are fictional characters. Now all replaced with the no. All and no, the both are the same. Universal, universal. All cartoon character, no cartoon character. It means both are the universal. Are fictional character. Now it will convert it, obverted, obvert. Fictional is converted into non-fictional. So no cartoon character are non-fictional character, right? The obvious of the I proposition is same as P. We have one more example. No current sitcoms are funny show. No current sitcom, universal one. All current sitcom is also the universal one. Our funny show is averted, and then it is averted non-funny show. So all current sitcoms are non-funny shows. Here is one more example. Some rap songs are lullabies. Some rap songs are not lullabies. Some movie stars are not geniuses, and some movie stars are non geniuses. Are not geniuses, are non geniuses. ये averted. Alright, conversion aversion is done, and now the contraposition. Contraposition is it's quite simple. All logic books are interesting things to read. Contraposition is predicate replace with the subject. All non-interesting things to read are non-logic books. So interesting is converted into non-interesting. Logic book is converted into non-logic books, and also the position is also shuffled. Predicate with the subject and the subject with the predicate means interesting thing on the first place, and the logic means on the predicate. Again, I repeated, all logic books. Here the logic books is the subject, and interesting thing is an object, predicate. Now both are replaced, done, but with their quality also. Logic books converted into non-logic. Interesting thing is converted into non-interesting. So how the contraposition is that all non-interesting thing to read are non-logic book. So here is one more example of contraposition. Some humans are non-logic teachers. Some humans, some humans are non-logic teachers. So human is replaced into the product, and predicate is replaced into the as a subject. Okay then. And their qualities also interchange and contraposition with each other. Like humans is converted into non-human, and non-logic teacher converted into logic teacher. So what it become? Some logic teacher are not human. I will repeat it again. Some human. So some human is converted and transformed into the object as human. Non-logic teacher, which was a predicate, it converted, operated into subject. Some logic teachers are not human. So some remain the same. Non-logic teachers inverted into logic teachers. Humans converted into not human. So it becomes some logic teachers are not human. So we have more contraposition. It's quite simple. No dentist are non-graduate. So non-graduate is contraposition. Non-graduates are non. This is not true. This is not true. This contraposition is not. Yes. So no game, no game show hosts a brain surgeon, and no non-brain surgeon are non-game show hosts. This one is a contraposition. Game show hosts are brain surgeon, and contraposition. Some game show hosts are not brain surgeon. Is a one more example. Some flowers are not roses. Some remain the same. Not roses converted into not roses. Some non-roses are not non-flower. Flower transform into the non-flower. So here is a chart. All S is P. P is replaced by S, or both become the none. All none P is none S. Okay. No S is P. It replaced by P into S and S into P, and in some none P is not S. There is a limitation. Might be somewhere this statement is not possible with the meaning. Some SSP contraposition not correct because predicate not replaced. Some S is not P, some non P is not. S simple as is converted into non S, and not P is transformed into non P. And predicate becomes the subject and the subject becomes the predicate. So that's why some non P is not non C. This is called contraposition. The positions are contra related to each other. So we will make quick revision over it and get a parallel review over it. That this is very helpful to you for better understanding. All S is P. When we avoid, no S is none P. All S and no S both show the same universal, and SSP is opposite of it. S is none P. What does the change? Affirmative to negative, and all remain the same. Okay, fine. Converse it. Converse is all is transformed into some, all is universe, and some is particular. And then subject is replaced with the predicate S is P, P is S. So some, P is S. Quite simple. And contraposition again, P the predicate is replaced with the S, and also change in the quality. None P, all none P is none S. It's quite simple. E, just like E, no SSP, how we avoid, no is all and no both are universe. SSP, S is none. This one is an over. Convert, no and no both same. SSP converted, P converted into S. So no P is S. I will discussing the E. Some, here is a cursor, you can see it. Some, none, P is not S. This one is a contraposition. Subject replaced with the predicate as well as the quality. I, some SSP, and now when we try to avoid in a version, some remain the some SSP is replaced, some S is not none P. The opposite of E is none P, and the negation show the not none P. When we convert, it will completely reciprocal. Some SSPs will revert into some PS S, and contraposition is not possible. And the last one, some S is not P, but some S is not overt. Overt, some remain the same, S remain the same, but not P is replaced with the non P as an overt. And converse, none and null. There is no options. And finally, all none P is not. Is the opposite of first one. Some remain the same. S is opposite P is replaced with the S, and simple S become non S, and the simple not P become a not P. Is a quick provision over the categorical preposition. Here is all these category, all SSP, no SSP, some SSP, and some SS not. All SSP said to be what? Universal affirmative, no SSP, universal negative, some SSP, particular affirmative, and some SS not be particular. Like that, all popes are Catholic, universal, no Republican or Democratic, universal negative. Some fresh vegetables are high fiber, some particular, some compact cars are not high. So here is the content, right? There's a quick review over it. All SNP show the universal, or no SSP show the universal quantity. Some show the particular, and SRP showing affirmative, no is showing negation. Some SSP affirmation are not showing the negation. So quantity and quality both are there. We have already discussed the graph, some P and S, and then no SSP both are separate, S and P both are, and some particular SRP and some distribution over there. So that's all about the today's first half. Then we take a break, and after the break, we will be start the second meeting at 4 p.m. with the more questions. Here is a sum of all these topic. We have to discuss. We already have discussed the four categorical proposition: universal affirmative, universal negative, particular affirmative, and particular negative. There is a table in front of you. All SRP, no SRP, some SRP, some SR not P. This one show A, E, I, O. A is a universal, E universal negative, I particular affirmative, and O particular negative.